my YouTube channel Inspire Art Linkings. Join this channel on a mesmerizing journey through the world of landscape pencil art. Immerse yourself in the delicate strokes and intricate detail that bring nature to life on paper. From serene mountainscape to enchanting forest, Inspire Art Linking transport you to picturesque realms where every line tells a story. Explore the fusion of creativity and nature as Inspire Art Linking breathes life into landscape with her unique pencil art history. Experience the magic of Inspire Art Linkings, where each drawing is a testament to patience and patience. Watch as ordinary sheet of paper transform into breathtaking visit under the skilled hand of Inspire Art Linkings. Delve into the artistic process from the initial sketch to the final masterpiece and uncover the secrets behind capturing the essence of landscape with just a pencil. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then please give a like to this video and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Also subscribe this channel for a journey of inspiration and artistic wonder. Thank you so much for watching.